Hello students, let us continue exercise 12.2. We have already discussed exercise 12.1 and question number 1 to 7 of exercise 12.2. Now we discuss question number 8. A floral design on a floor is made up of 16 tiles, which are triangular, the side of the triangle being 9 centimeter, 28 centimeter, 35 centimeter, 9 centimeter, 28 centimeter, 35 centimeter. Find the cost of polishing the tiles at the rate of 50 paisa per centimeter square. 50 paisa per centimeter square. For a tile, let A equal to 9 centimeter, B equal to 28 centimeter, C equal to 35 centimeter. Now, semi-perimeter is equal to A plus B plus C upon 2. This is the semi-perimeter of the triangle. Value of A is 9, value of B is 28, value of C is 35. And their addition is 72 divided by 2, we get 36. Using By-Heron's formula, area of one tile is equal to root S bracket x minus a bracket s minus b bracket s minus c. Value of s is 36. 36 bracket S, value of S is 36 minus value of A is 9, S minus A, S minus A. S minus B, value of S is 36 minus B, value of B is 28. S minus C, value of S is 36 minus value of C is 35. Now next, root 36 multiply 36 minus 9, 27. Multiply 36 minus 28, 8. Multiply 36 minus 35, 1. Now 36 can be write 4 into 9. 4 9 ja 36. And 27 can be write 9 3 ja 27. And 4 can be write 4 2 ja 8. 4 2 ja 8. Again repeat. 4 9 ja 36, 9 3 ja 27, 4 2 ja 8 centimeter square. Here 9 form a pair. So pair of 9 is root of 9 is 9 into 9. Root of 9 into 9 is 9. 4 also form a pair. 4 into 4. So, root of this pair is also 4. 4 into 9 and remaining number is 3 into 2. 3 2 ja 6. Root 6. 4 9 ja 36 root 6. And their calculation is 88.182 centimeter square. This is the area of one tile. This is the area of one tile. But we find the area of 16 tiles. So we multiply area of one tile by 16. Area of 16 tiles equal to 16 multiply 88.182 centimeter square. And their calculation is 1410.906 centimeter square. Rate of polishing 50 paise per centimeter square. Now 50 paisa change in rupees. So we write 50 upon 100 rupees per centimeter square. 50 1 ja 50, 52 ja 100. 1 upon 2 rupee per centimeter square. Cost of polishing the all tiles equal to rupees 1 upon 2 and total area. Total area is 1410.906. And their calculation is rupees 705.48. This is the cost of polishing the floor of a design. Now we discuss next question 9. A field is in the shape of trapezium whose parallel side 25 meter and 10 meter. The non-parallel side are 14 meter and 13 meter. Find the area of the field. These question very most important. Now this is the shape of trapezium shape field. Let ABCD be a trapezium field with AB equal to 10 meter, BC equal to 25 meter, AD equal to 14 meter, BC equal to 13 meter. Draw BE parallel AD. Draw AD parallel BE and AB parallel DE. So ABED is a parallelogram and opposite side of a parallelogram are equal. So AB equal to DE equal to 10 meter. Similarly, AD equal to BE equal to 14 meter. Total side DC is 25 meter. D is 10 meter. So EC is 15 meter. 25 minus 10, 15 meter. ABED is a parallelogram. BE parallel AD. Draw BE parallel AD. But AB parallel D. So ABED is a parallelogram. AD equal to BE equal to 14 meter. AB equal to D equal to 10 meter. Opposite side of parallelogram are equal. Now we write DE plus EC equal to DC. Value of D is 10 plus EC is equal to value of DC 25. EC equal to 25 minus 10, 15 meter. Now in triangle BEC, A equal to 14 meter, B equal to 13 meter, C equal to 15 meter. Now semi-perimeter A plus B plus C upon 2 and their addition of 42 upon 2, that is 21. 21 is the semi-perimeter of this triangle. Now using Heron's formula, this is your Heron's formula. Value of S is 21. 21 minus value of A is 14. 21 minus value of B is 13. 21 minus value of C is 15. 21 as it is. 21 minus 14 multiply 7. 21 minus 13 multiply 8. 21 minus 15 6 multiply 6. Now we write 3 7 ja 21, 7 as it is. 2 2 ja 4 2 ja 8, 2 2 ja 4 2 ja 8 and 6 can be write 2 into 3, 2 into 3 6. Now arrange in suitable order. 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 3 into 3, 7 into 7. Clearly 2 form a pair and also form a pair, 3 also form a pair, 7 also form a pair. So root of these pair we get 2 into 3 into 7. 7 3 ja 21, 4 ja 84 meter square. Now area of triangle is 84 meter square. 1 upon 2 base multiply height. This is the formula of area of triangle and is equal to 84 because this is also area. So we write 1 upon 2 base is 15 meter. Triangle base is 15 meter. We find height. 1 upon 2 base is 15 multiply height equal to 84. Height is equal to 84 reciprocal of 15 upon 2, 2 upon 15. Now 3 5 ja 15, 3 2 ja 6, 3 8 ja 24, 28 2 ja 56 upon 5. This is your height of triangle and this is also height of trapezium shape field. Distance between two parallel sides is 56 upon 5. Now A equal to 10 meter and B equal to 25 meter. Also H equal to 56 upon 5 meter. Area of trapezium field equal to 1 upon 2 bracket A plus B into H. Area of trapezium field 1 upon 2, value of A is 10, value of B is 25, multiply H 56 upon 5, 35 multiply 56 upon 5 multiply 1 upon 2, 5 1 ja 5, 5 7 ja 35, 2 1 ja 2, 2 20, 2 2 ja 4, 2 8 ja 16, that is 28. 28 multiply 7, 196 meters square. This is your complete question. Do exercise 12.2 in your fair notebook. Thank you.